Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Kalista Adumike, a professional makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you guys to my village. Yes, you heard me, to my village. Yeah, a road trip to my village. So join me guys, let's go to my village while we appreciate this lovely nature. It's very beautiful. This is one of the things I love so well whenever I go for a road trip. I really love those beautiful sights of nature. So please guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget, after watching this video, please drop your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe if you have not. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into the main video, the real video, the bedu of the matter, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. See ya! Guys, we finally arrived to the village and we have this wonderful men, Umuna, actually waiting to welcome us. It was so beautiful. We were very grateful and we actually thank God for Johnny Mercy driving all the way from Lagos to Enugu. It was a long journey. Like, we stopped at the road multiple times. This is my father-in-law welcoming me with that warm hug. I really appreciate him. And that is Munachi, his granddaughter. It was so beautiful. I came back here to actually greet my brother-in-law. We came all the way from Lagos to Enugu for him, just because of him. He was getting married and we came to support him. It's lovely. What's a family for? What else do you live for in this life if not family? That's grandpa over there carrying his 2 grandkids, and that's me hugging my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law, if you get to know my mother-in-law, you will love her as much as I do. She's so sweet and she's a lovely personality. That's Monachi hugging grandma and Kosi too hugging grandma, and it was so beautiful. Everyone was so happy. The emotions, it was so lovely. We've not seen ourselves for like 4 years and we get to see ourselves now. We appreciate God for everything, for giving us life to this very day. We are very grateful. So we're just greeting each other, basically, nothing much. Everyone, that's my mom. Like, my mom came with me over here because she had to help me carry the baby. Thank God for mothers. We just can't do anything in this life without mothers. Just that. That's my mother-in-law carrying his granddaughter's son. So guys, it was the next day, and we've not done the baptism and the dedication of Chikunum. So my mother-in-law was like, there's no way we can come to the village and we'll not go to church. So she just quickly, trust my mother-in-law to do things for you now. She just quickly arranged this dedication so that Chimnonso will be dedicated in the church, so that we can be able to go to church. Like, it is this thing in Igbo land that without dedication, the baby and the mom basically cannot start going to church. Like, they are still in Omugo, that thing. So we just arranged this sharp dedication. We're still going to do the normal baptism in Lagos when we get back to Lagos and still do our Thanksgiving. But for the dedication, the child has been dedicated and the priest pray over the child and the child's parents and welcome him to the church. And it was really wonderful. Like, I didn't even know that it would come a day when we would do this in the village. But my mother-in-law was like, let's just do it so that the baby can go to church, because if the baby is not dedicated to church, he can start going to church. So this is us walking to the altar of God behind the priest, following by our friends and well-wishers walking behind us, and we all went straight to the altar where the baby is going to be dedicated by the priest. And it was really very beautiful. Very, very wonderful. This church is an outstation. It's a Catholic church, but it's an outstation. So that's why it has not been fully furnished and everything. So the priest took the baby for dedication and he dedicated it to the Lord. was after the wedding. So if you want to watch the wedding proper, if you want to watch the whole wedding bedu and the whole wedding ceremony, it's a video, in fact 2 videos before this. Just pause and go and watch it and come back to this video, or you wait after watching this video to the end, you go and watch the wedding proper. So we're done with the wedding, and our family decided to come out to thank God, to appreciate God for his mercy, bringing all, as in every member of the family together. So we're very grateful. Our friends and well-wishers came out in numbers and joined us for Thanksgiving. So guys, this is basically the main parish. That is why it is well furnished. Shout out to Nemeka, that is our doctor. He really helped me with this video, and I'm very grateful, Nemeka. So this is the main church, and it's well furnished, other like compared to the previous one. So after church, we decided to go see this beautiful site. It was really a lovely site. Like, my husband had told me stories about this place, and I really wanted to see it for myself. Water actually comes out from the rock, and that is where the villagers come to fetch their water. You can see for yourself. They fetch their drinking water. They use this water for cooking and basically everything they do with water. I really love nature. Whenever I see any beautiful site of nature, I can't help it but make lovely videos, and that is just to be. Can't you see? Can you beat this beauty? Beauty overload. So guys, I was really amazed seeing this lovely site. Like, I was thinking it's a borehole, but actually it's not. Water actually comes out from the stone. So, and I heard so many stories about the place, that you cannot kill fishes in that place. I don't know the story behind this shall, but I shall know you cannot kill fish here. Any fish you see here, you shall allow it to go. And one wonderful thing about this place as well is that I saw a man that his job here is just to keep the place clean. Like, if there's any paper on the floor, he picks it. Any nylon on the floor, he picks it. And I was very amazed. Like, the villagers understand the meaning of hygiene and cleanliness, and they actually was doing so well with it. And if you can see for yourself, the place was actually clean. Like, it's actually very clean. And Munachi, everybody was allowed to go to the water. That's Chimere there. We allowed them, let them feel the water, let them see it for themselves. So tomorrow they'll have their own stories to tell, and Munachi enjoy every bit of it. Like, she was with her dad in the water all through. Chimere even do not want to even leave the water because it's so cool. You could stand on it and you feel the coolness of the water, especially in this hot weather. Like, if you are so hot, you can just go inside the water and you feel that coolness generating through your body. And this is Munachi. We're about leaving, and trust me now to make wonderful videos for you guys. So as we're leaving, I decided to show you guys the outfit of the day. My outfit was so lovely, so I decided to show you guys what it looks like, and this is exactly what it looks like. So watch me show you the outfits of the day. And that is it, guys. That is it. A long dress with a small slit by the other side, and it's beautiful. Are you seeing it? It's actually lovely. I'm feeling the beauty. This beauty this beauty, this beauty. Drop in the comment section. What do you think about my dress? Do you love it? Oh, thank you guys. I know you love it already. So we go back home, and this is my mother-in-law, the queen mother herself. So we decided to do a photo shoot, and I just finished tying her gilly. Trust me now, when your daughter-in-law is a makeup artist and a gilly artist at the same time, you can't help it but slay always. That's my brother-in-law over here, and the whole family coming together. Trust me now, I was just making sure everybody was arranged. Like, you stay here, you be there. No, Emeka, no go there. No, you stay here. No, this one go. Emeka, come closer. Oh, my husband, no, you can be here. No, it's here. It's not okay. No, let's do it the other way around. It's not supposed to be. Oh yeah, everybody rearrange. I sure can rearrange and arrange for Africa, sure. Oh. And trust me now, I went to go and check that my gilly, if it was actually well laid. And it was so beautiful, like family. What is life without family? Like, this photo shoot means a lot to me. Like, I planned it, I do the setup, and it was just an in-house thing. We didn't call any professional photographers, but it was so beautiful. It came out lovely. And trust Kosi to always disturb his thing. That's the only thing he loved to do. Disturb during photo shoots. Kai Mbami. Kosi own is too much. Sitting also sleeping peacefully. And we finally arranged ourselves, and we took the shots. I will snap it, and it was lovely. These are the 5 kids of my mother-in-law. See them? They 4 boys and just a girl. Ada, the girl of the house. That's my husband. My brother-in-law, Emeka, Casey. The other one, Emeka, and the last born of the house, Chooks. So in the evening, I decided to pound apple. I told you guys I was going to take you through the village Serenre. I decided to pound apple because I have a lot remaining from the wedding. So now say, okay, let us pound apple. I don't know how to pound apple. I really don't know how to pound apple. Joke about like the fufu. You know what apple is? Apple is fufu. Fufu. I don't know how to pound apple, so I called my Uyedi. You know now, Uyedi special. My Gen Z Uyedi. I called her to come and help me pound apple, and she agreed. She's such a lovely girl. She agreed, and she came out to come and pound apple. And I first of all screamed, though, disclaimer, I cannot pound though, so nobody should ask me to pound. Do you get? And it was lovely. So we started pounding the apple. She started, and we put the first batch on fire, and the thing was just boiling. Come and see my Gen Z Uyedi pounding apple. You will see her right now. What is life in village without cooking on firewood? You guys already know the drill now. So this is the first batch that was pounded, and this is her pounding the apple. See the way she was pounding the thing, like she don't have one power in her body. But Womi that is talking, I can't even pound. She's so peaceful. We're just happy. We enjoyed everything. Like, if you see the way we are just bonding, you would think we are sisters already. Yes, we are. What is life without family anyways? So I just watched her pound, and she really tried. She did a good work. She did her best, but she just can't help it. She said, because this one is much for me, Joe. And she was just laughing. We're all playing and laughing, and we enjoyed ourselves in the village. And that's Emeka there. He sat down, and I was just watching at this women. Instead of him to come and help us to pound, imagine. And she just called me closer to tell me something. I will not tell you guys what she told me. So we pounded the apple. In fact, when my mother-in-law saw that it was not going anywhere further, she just said to call someone to help us pound it and wrap it up. And that was the end of my stay in the village. See this beautiful nature. See this lovely nature. I love the trees. I love the plants. I love everything about nature. And it was so beautiful. And that was how we all went home. We thank God for Johnny Mercy, and we arrived home safely. let me quickly go and attend to my baby boo. I'm sure you guys must have been hearing his voice in this video. So guys, we drove all the way through. I think this is Oka, I guess. We drove all the way, and this is us heading to the head bridge, and this is it. Like, I love this head bridge. And that is River Niger by the both sides, you can see, and that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you watch this video to this point, I love you. You mean a lot to me. You're very close to my heart. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also drop your comments in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.